All right, there's breaking news coming in as far as Ananya Pandey's presence at the NCB office is concerned. Now, the NCB has told the media that Ananya Pandey has been summoned again on Monday. That's the information coming in at the moment. Ananya Pandey will now appear before the NCB again for the third time. She was summoned yesterday. She has been summoned today, where she was present for about 3.5 to 4 hours. And now information coming in from the Narcotics Control Bureau that they will be summoning Ananya Pandey again on Monday. Let's go right across to our reporters who are joining us live. With us are our reporters Siddhant, Arunil as well as Shivani. I'm going to come to you first. Arunil, take us through what's been said by the DDG of the Narcotics Control Bureau. I believe he has confirmed that yes, Ananya Pandey will appear before the NCB once again on Monday. Any information coming in as to what they have gained in terms of information so far?
Well, first, let's run through the sequence of events that happened, unfolded outside the NCB office. First, Ananya Pandey, accompanied by her father, after being interrogated for 4 long hours, she left from here. Then Samir Wankhede left. He didn't utter a single word. And then the Deputy Director General of the NCB, Ashok Mutha Jain, confirmed it, saying that on Monday, Ananya Pandey is being summoned for the third time. Now, why Monday is significant, Madhav? Because it is a day prior the bail hearing that has been slated in Bombay High Court. The bail hearing has been slated on Tuesday. Before that, 1 day prior that only, again Ananya Pandey will be confronted, thoroughly questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And in the 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday, whether the NCB will be finding more people, will be raiding several other places, depending upon the information that they have garnered from Ananya Pandey and the several accused that have been arrested. That also we will be keeping a close eye on. One thing we can confirm, Madhav, is that Ananya Pandey was cross-questioned with the alleged drug peddler that was being detained by the NCB last night around 4 a.m.
All right, stay with us. Arunil, stay with us. Shivani and Siddhant also continue to be with us, but we have a reaction coming in of the DDG of the NCB, Mutha Jain. This is what he has told us. Let's listen in.
हाँ, मंडे को बुलाया गया। एक मिनट,
किसी और को भी समन किया गया है?
मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहता हूँ, मंडे को बुलाया गया है और उसके बाद आगे की कार्रवाई होगी।
सर, कोई खास डिटेल व्हाट्सएप चैट को लेकर कोई उन्होंने नकारा हो जवाब ऐसा?
मैडम, मैं आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन से रिलेटेड कोई डिटेल नहीं बता पाऊंगा।
आर्यन ने ड्रग पेडलर्स के नंबर भेजे थे, उसके संबंध में क्या कुछ जानकारी उन्होंने शेयर की? अनन्या ने कोई जानकारी?
नहीं, अभी कोई ऐसी जानकारी मेरे पास नहीं है।
All right, let me take this across to Siddhant now. Siddhant, very, very important over here that once again the NCB feels the need to speak to Ananya Pandey. And what is very important is that thus far the information coming in is that she has denied consuming drugs and that she has also indicated to the NCB that whatever conversations were there on WhatsApp with Aryan Khan, they were about cigarettes and not anything to do with drugs. This is the information that we have. Can you take us through what exactly she has told the NCB?
Well, yes, this is perhaps the standard reply of any witness accused giving statement under Section 67 of NDPS to Narcotics Control Bureau. We have seen in Riya and Shouvik Chakravarti's case also, in this case also, same has been applied. Now, Madhav, what is very interesting, I would like to put out for our viewers, there is something which is cooking up. Now, what it is exactly, we really don't know, but some very unprecedented scenes happened outside NCB office. For the first time, Mr. Wankhede did not address the media. Mr. Jain, who happens to be his superior, addressed the media. Yes, Ananya has been summoned on Monday, but I have also been confirmed that there is one high-level meeting which is currently going on at one undisclosed location. Now, I am still trying to gather more inputs on the same, that what is it, what it is regarding, and why it is happening at this point in time. There could be some major developments, Madhav, that we can break tonight or tomorrow morning. This I can confirm for a viewer, because something is cooking up within the agency. All the officers have been rushed for one high-level meeting. This is what we can put out for our viewers for the first time.
All right, big development indeed, Siddhant. If there is a high-level meeting, what exactly is the NCB and what does it have on its radar? That's what we'll have to watch out for. Let's quickly get an update from Shivani as well. Shivani, you've been reporting from the morning on the story. Certainly big development as far as Ananya Pandey is concerned. concerned. Take us through exactly what the police, what the NCB, I beg your pardon, in this particular case is looking at as far as Ananya Pandey, the WhatsApp chats, and also we were told that she is being looked at yesterday as a witness. But any further information coming in post the interrogation as far as the role of Ananya Pandey and this entire investigation is concerned?
See, Madhav, first of all, during those WhatsApp chat, it has been gained by the NCB that Ananya Pandey and Aryan Khan chats reveal a contact number shared by Aryan Khan to Ananya Pandey of a drug peddler, and that drug peddler has been detained by the NCB last night, and on the basis of the detention of that drug peddler, Ananya Pandey was quizzed by the NCB officials. Also, after detaining that particular drug peddler, NCB had recorded his statement as well, and now on that particular basis, NCB was grilling Ananya Pandey to reveal the direct connection with this particular drug peddler. Was she directly in connection with him? Has she got or purchased any sort of drugs from her? And were there any other friends or any other person those were involved in this particular matter apart from Ananya Pandey? The main question was have she ever supplied drugs to Aryan Khan? After getting in touch with those peddlers, those contacts were shared by Aryan. And here also in this particular case, as we see, Siddhant had rightly put it out the details that Ananya is cooperating in the investigation. Okay. That is why
that's a big development coming in. That's a big development coming from Shivani as well as Siddhant. Ananya Pandey is cooperating with that investigation. This is what NCB sources are telling Times Now at the moment, that there is in fact information coming in from inside the NCB post 2 days where they have quizzed Ananya Pandey that she is cooperating with this investigation. What does this really mean as far as the entire case is concerned? Let's take this across to our guests. I'd like to thank Arunil, Siddhant as well as Shivani for joining us. We're going right across. In fact, let me first go across to Swapnil Kothari, who's with us. Swapnil, this is very, very significant. Yesterday, we were told that as far as Ananya Pandey's role is concerned, her gadgets were seized. She has been summoned now 2 days consecutively. She will once again appear before the NCB on Monday. But at the same time, it is very interesting that the NCB says that she is cooperating with their investigation. So are we looking at a situation where Ananya Pandey could be made a witness as far as this entire case of Aryan is concerned, or is it perhaps too early to speculate anything at all?
I think it's a little bit, Madhav, too early to speculate. We do not know as to what she is going to say or in what manner is she cooperating. A simple word like cooperating could be that she's answering all the questions. She's not being evasive to whatever questions are being put. And those questions could be very pointed, and she could be having very innocent answers to that, in the sense not deliberately innocent, but actually innocent answers. And they could be saying that, yes, she's answering, she's not, hiding anything. And but what that high-level meeting that you mentioned, that your reporter just mentioned, that seems to be, a little bit, worrisome. I wouldn't say worrisome in the sense that seems to be, sort of piquing my interest there. That maybe I don't know what they are up to or what they want to, or if there is, further, maybe a couple of people are there on the radar and they want to discuss as to how to approach, etc. So those could be the things. And, this investigation is bound to continue. I don't see this ending too far. Not with Ananya Pandey. What I mean is, so on and so forth.
Right. Let me take this across to Mr. Memen as well. How do you look at these developments? Of course, you have been critical in the past. You have said that what has happened as far as Aryan is concerned is perhaps incorrect. But the question that I'm asking you at this point of time is that there is a completely new aspect to this entire case with the coming in of Ananya Pandey as far as the investigation is concerned. How do you look at this? Because 2 consecutive days she has been questioned. Her gadgets, I believe electronic devices have also been taken for the purposes of the investigation. Now we understand that once again she will be appearing before the NCB on Monday. The agency says that she is cooperating. Your responses to that, Zulfikar Memon?
I think the NCB is doing its job, and like any other powerful investigating agency, the leads that they have got from the already arrested accused in the past is being used to probe further. The idea is to get to the root cause and the core cartel which has been supplying drugs to these youngsters. As we all know, her statement was recorded all of yesterday, today, and it seems that, she's been called again on Monday, and that also, we get to know that she's cooperating with the NCB. The interesting development here is about the drug peddler who has been arrested last night, and apparently he was made to be present when Ananya's statement was recorded and there was some cross questioning. So that will be a very, very crucial development, considering that there are some chats from Aryan's phone that says and points out to the fact that, Ananya was told to get in touch with him to purchase the drugs. So we don't know.
That's a very important point. That's a very, very important point. And I want Swapnil to come in on that. Swapnil, the fact that there is a drug peddler, and this is, of course, as per the information coming from the NCB, that this drug peddler has now been detained. He was present at the time of questioning, is the information coming in. So what are we to make of this? Does this mean that, yes, in fact, drugs were procured, at least that aspect of this, and also, of course, source-based information coming in that the possession and the consumption of drugs was denied by Ananya Pandey?
Yes, Madhav, when you put up a drug peddler right before the person whose statement you are recording, then what they are trying to do is that they could have asked the drug peddler a few questions before, in her absence, and then now they are asking it in her presence. So they are trying to marry the statements and trying to see whether, any of them or either of them was lying, or whether their statements are coordinating properly, or whether they have rehearsed those statements before. So what they are trying to determine is that basically from their, micro expressions, that is exactly what they would be looking for, because statements could be rehearsed, but micro expressions, especially, it cannot lie.
All right, the expressions and body language is what the cops will be looking at, the sleuths would be looking at inside the NCB. Very important point there was Swapnil Kothari. But Zulfikar, I wanted to respond to that point. If Ananya Pandey has, during the course of this particular investigation, denied the consumption or possession of drugs, she has said allegedly that there were cigarettes that were in fact being referred to in those WhatsApp chats. How does that change the complexion of things as far as the investigation is concerned?
Well, as far as, her word is going to be taken, but then, as I said, the investigation is very fluid, and, that will continue, and the probes will be there. Again, she has been called on Monday. She will be confronted with further evidences from, related other accused persons, which will probably confront her with certain her chats or other chats which directly address to the fact that she has been instrumental or not instrumental in purchasing the drugs. We must also bear in mind that the NCB must be preparing a more important issue right now for them is to prepare a watertight case to oppose Aryan's bail in the High Court, which is scheduled for Tuesday. So any further evidence which leads to Aryan's...
Well, all eyes on that Tuesday hearing in the court, as well as, of course, Monday, when once again Ananya will appear before the NCB. I'd like to thank Swapnil as well as Zulfikar for joining us on the show.